All right, next we're going to get ourselves signed into our keyboarding software for the year. So you'll have to go to your Gmail to get there. So just like with Google Classroom, if you don't already have it open, come to the waffles and click on Gmail. Then you will be looking for an email from me. And you'll open up the email, and then you're going to click on this link. So then here's the information you need to fill in. Your first and last name. They should both have capital letters because that's how you normally write your name. Then your password. Your password will be your lunch number. You'll put it in 2 times. You'll put it in this box, my lunch number, then this box, my lunch number again. Then the last thing is having to put in your email address. So that's going to be your first and last name at superiorwildcats.org. This we really have to make sure we get correct so that you'll get signed up completely. And so if you need help with that, please have the sub help you do your email address. Or if they feel like they just want to do that part for you, they can let you know. So after you type in your password, we need your email. Once you get your email in, you're skipping the other 2 boxes and you will hit this blue box. Once you've hit that blue box, you're going to wait until the sub plays more of the video and you have your next instructions. So, first name, last name, password. It's your lunch number. Put it in 2 times. Email address, you or the sub can type that in. It has to be the whole thing. And then you'll hit the blue button. Alright, so now we're going to finish getting signed up and logged into our keyboarding. So, you've done all the things. Hit the blue button and you are ready for your next step. Your next step is coming down here and clicking the G for Google. We're going to use our Google accounts to sign in. Then you're going to get a pop-up box. You'll have to choose your email address. And then your first time, I think you'll get another box that says confirm. So your goal today is to get that done and get to a screen that looks like this. If you get to a screen like this, you've done it correctly. If you're not getting it to work, you need to try again, ask an adult to help, because that way if it's not working, I can troubleshoot it and get it set up all the way for you. So, once you made it here, you're ready to go for keyboarding when you do that in your classrooms.